Again, we are just grateful that we can honor our grandmother in her 80 years of her wonderful life. Like my mother said, she was born in American Samoa in the village of Falenyu. And one thing that our grandmother holds so dear to her heart is her Polynesian culture, but her Samoan culture. And we'd like to ask our grandmother to come up here and dance one more time for us with her tawaluma. And if you want to come on the stage and throw money, we only accept bills over 20. Thank you. No, really.